Neck pain can be a real crick in the neck, but sometimes it's the muscles that can be the real cause of the problem. Come take a look. The muscles I'm talking about are called the deep neck flexor muscles, and they lie very, very deep close to the bones of your neck on the front side of your neck. They're called the longus colli and the longus capitis. Oftentimes, these muscles can become weak over time whenever we develop bad postural habits or after an injury. When the longus capitis and the longus colli aren't doing their job, either due to weakness or poor muscle activation, it can result in a forward head posture where either the whole head sits forward or the chin tilts up. This posture is more commonly seen whenever people are spending increased periods of time at a computer, driving, or just sitting at a desk for a longer period of time. You'll see this is a more appropriate postural alignment where the ear falls directly over the shoulders. One test we use to look at these muscles is called the Deep Neck Flexor Endurance Test. I wouldn't recommend doing this test if you've recently had any sort of trauma or surgical procedure, or if your pain increases while performing this test. It's always best when in doubt to sit it out if you're concerned about any safety issues. Let's check it out. To perform this test, you'll lie flat on your back on a firm surface without a pillow underneath your head. You're going to reference the crease of your neck, so you may need some help monitoring this with a friend. You'll place the hand under the back of the head, then tuck your chin. You'll notice that the crease in your neck is going to increase. Lift your head just barely off the surface of your hand and start the timer to see how long you can hold your head up. If you either lose the definition in the crease of your neck or your head returns back to the surface of your hand, that's when your timer stops. Of course, if pain increases while performing this, it's best to discontinue this test. For this test, normal times for men are 39 seconds and for women 29 seconds. If you are unable to hold your neck for that period of time with correct form, that might be an indication that you need to strengthen the muscles of your neck. If you have more questions on neck pain, make sure to tune in throughout the week as our therapist will be sharing more videos on common causes and strategies for managing neck pain. And also come back to our Facebook on Friday at 1 p.m. where I will do a live webinar on neck pain and some common strategies for what therapists use to manage that pain. I will stick around at the end to answer any questions that you might have. I look forward to seeing you there, but until then, move well, feel well, be well.